How you do it? Over here. Look. Come on. How you do it? You go. Come on.
That's right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Almost. That's a good reach. But she knew she was sitting here and she made it to there.
Did you start scooting?
Where's the ball? Turn around. The ball.
I can't.
Who can? The ball. Here it is. Come on. Come on. Let me give you a hand. I know you can do it with my hand. You don't need it. Oh, so then you can't see any cheese. Get on them knees.